she looked at me and I pulled the rope on her neck and forced it. Kenna came then and helped me to force the rope.
So
he held the rope at the end and I held it at the other end, and it was done.
How long did it take to pull for one end? Is it this rope?
Yes, this rope.
How did you people do it?
I pulled it on her neck and Ikenna held this end and I held this end. That was how we did it.
And she died?
Yes.
Be your name?
My name is Ikenna Onyejewu.
Ikenna, how old are you?
I'm 19 years.
Yeah. Where you come from?
Anambra State.
What did they do for Anambra State?
I'm a student.
Student of which school?
Kabe College.
So which class you come to now?
I stopped school in SS2.
Stop school?
Yes, I dropped out in SS2.
Why now? Why you drop out?
Because of my sister, he refused to pay my school fees.
Why she stopped to pay your school fees?
I don't know, you get some boys where they find me in their house now because of it.
So what can happen now? Why you can't do police station?
Me and my friend.
But you no kill Ansha?
Me and my friend kill him.
Why now? Why you kill him?
I told you that because of him stopped me in school and sent me back to the village.
Tell me the story. How will I take kill him?
Me and my friend, we entered the house on Thursday morning.
What be your friend name?
No, it's okay. Immediately we enter. We won't go upstairs. So I told this my friend. I changed my mind. I don't want to do it again. Let's go. He said no, we must do it because the money where we use enter transport come. He said he borrow for person. So I beg him. He said no. Okay, I come tell her you are the one. We go kill my sister and I'm not the one who go kill him. He say okay. Now I first enter my sister room. So immediately saw her. My sister asked her, who are you? He tell my sister, man, shut up. Okay, my sister shut up. I can't enter. I don't put the loop already. So immediately I enter. My sister saw me and tell me, he's telling me so he can really want to kill me. So I started telling him that he stopped me school and send me back to the village.
When they kill him, you know shout, you know talk anything?
No, only just one. I shout one. So my friend tell me shut up. So I therefore him front. My friend therefore him back. He come put the loop and push her down. So I go there take Nigerians and those and
Nigerians has done it again. No who say Nyash News and a report no obviously but more than subscribe channel like news koningo nya kakraka. Aha, media. Please kindly share your thoughts with me on the comment section. Na inu abobo. Abusua Nigeria for no asan ayebim. Nigeria for no asan ayebim omo Nigeria for asan ayebim abusua. Na wo hwe abrante ye oda screen yi so ya. Wakunu no ankasa ne nua ba. Ofa ne auntie. Ne nua ba akupro. Ne nua ba akupe. Abusua wakunu. Nigeria mountain so. We keep on throwing light on what these people are doing in Ghana and their own country. If he can kill his own sister, only sister, ni own sister, only free of Nubako, Abusia, on one casa blood, so any sister born if you Nubako, and the bush in the car, or to me saying Kitty, a dream say, I'm in Kunufangisi and I'm in Kubibi, Min Kunufani Bibia. How much more you Ghanaian? How much more one hour in Kumin and auntie uncle Abusia? No kuma bo we kum girl no, a coin of fast wo kum no, and I'm bet you no. And as na obehwe no video no busia obo modern e de ahoma e na omode chechere gay you kon no mo twimu na gen ye den ewuye because of dentia obehwe ni nyina e wa fidie so abusia bo modern e share video no ma onu no so share fatu Facebook na tag mpanifo no omo nhwe omo ne mabone yankofo eye bi wo Nigeria the same thing and e koso ma konkro ganem na ye de achechire obi kon ne yekunu ne agene ka a whole lot of stuff and e koso e wo Ghana amontin so abusia Nigeria for ayo madwin say omo ombetete ya brabo e okrumu am say intino yeso enya de yeso be jam omo atom kosi se omo yebepam omo awomokobi omo kruma na say omo jai se be nyema bone omo no makonko Ghana mu ye nda de biada abusia yenko hwɛ video no na yɛmra na finally obi so aka ma asɛm de ama me ɔmo ankasa Nigeria fo na ba be kasa sɛ Chukwu Eze Jude ehinatu a ofre no ho Igbo king serve acclaim or to Ghana has ya ofre no Igbo leader all the time ye kontoko bia na so nya asim bia na kwatwe Igbo fo Nigeria fa be wo no Nigeria fo no bisa ne sɛ nti we sure so Igbo king or Igbo leader Igbo fo leader ha Nigeria fo leader leader Ghana has ena mabunu ni ebre ebi ton phone covers ebi mu twi baro ene ne nkeka ho anya bia no wo hu anase ohu ye ne personal interest ena wo ye for ne ho anase sen abusia yenko na yenko nkutie ekwan akoifa so kum ne nui na ewia Nigeria ni ya obusa Chukwu Eze Jude and asemi enso so akasa abusia yenko ma yeba na yato adwumadin so wadema aha Ejiami Media. Please kindly subscribe and share for more updates and make sure you share your thoughts with me on the comment section. Abusia yenko mra
dwellings and these mornings. So after I finish it, that time my sister don't die already, so I can't help him. I hold one side and he hold one side. So he lays it up whether I stay, whether she don't die. So I look and so I try and say she don't die. Let's go. So we come out. Immediately we first reach 512 side. I go shake one of my friends, but the person is still around. He's no more living there. So we are going to back to the 21 road. So that place my bag there. So before this policeman see us for 5th Avenue, that is down there. So arrest us and search us and see those things. So the policeman said we must reach police station.
What's your name?
Also Keken.
How many years you be?
In 20 years.
20 years. Where you from?
From Ishi.
Ishi for where be that?
Anambra State.
Yeah. What did they do?
I'm a student.
Student for where?
I just finished my work. I'm trying to write my GCE.
So what are you going to do for here now? Why police catch you?
But it's about murder case.
Mother case. Who your mother?
My friend's sister.
Where you mother your friend's sister?
Where they were living at 403 Road.
For where?
Festac Town. You know, he came back during March and said that his sister drove him from the house. And I asked him, what did you do to her? He said nothing. And he told me that she stopped him from schooling. And I asked him, what did you do to her that she stopped you from knowing knowledge? And I asked him, have you killed somebody before? That you have the mind of killing? And he said, yes, that you have killed before. That one is a small thing. And that is it. And I told him, okay, that if you have killed, that I will escort you to kill your sister. And that is it.
So when he come, you tell him to take you escort him. How will I take do him? How you take kill his sister?
We entered the house. He opened the gate and he entered, and I followed him. On our way in front of the door, he said that this is the room that I should enter first, and I entered. And his sister asked me, hey, yo boy, who are you? And I didn't talk. Immediately, this Ikenna entered the room, and he called him Ikenna. Do you want to kill me? This was her utterance. And Ikenna said to her, I asked you to send me back to school, you didn't agree. I told you to start business for me, you didn't agree. And now, you have caused yourself something. And really, Ikenna was telling her sister this thing. I called her auntie. She looked at me and I pulled the rope on her neck. And forced it. Ikenna came then and helped me to force the rope.
So
he held the rope at the end and I held it at the other end. And it was done.
How will I take to him? Pull for one end. Is it this rope?
Yes, this rope.
How did you people do it?
I put it on her neck and Ikenna held this end and I held this end. That was how we did it.
And she died.
Yes.
Look at common men. They are suffering in Ghana. Look at some of the boys in Ghana. They are pushing wheelbarrow, selling phone pouch in wheelbarrows. If they didn't have an Igbo king that is an Igbo king, true, should they be suffering here in Ghana where they have a king in Ghana? No. But because this person is doing for his own interest, He's not doing it for himself. For me, I've never received any incentive from anybody that they are going to this is the king. I don't even know anything like that. I don't have any idea. Which one is those that's coming up online and be saying that he wants to build an Igbo kingdom? For you and who? So okay, I should live where my house and go to Pram or wherever you say you are buying land. And fly outside to go and be living or what? Ghanaians, I beg you. This man is in fact his claims are baseless. And for me, don't even accept. This is not an Igbo. It's go for the man. They leave other people alone. Did anybody come out and say we are with the Igbo? No, I beg you. He's on his own. As you all know, we are here to entertain people and create awareness on some certain things. In fact, most of our content are educational content. You get? Stop dragging other people to the pits. What is all this one, huh? If you want to be the kingdom, go to Nigeria and be the kingdom. You're answering good and fine. Answer it for yourself. Eh? There's no rule of law governing Nigerians in Ghana. Don't forget, there is Igbo in Ghana, there's Yoruba in Ghana, there's Hausa in Ghana, there's Edo people, there is Benin people, there is Rivers people, there is a lot of people, like different tribes of Nigerians in Ghana. The same will have different tribes of Ghanaians in Nigeria. Should they come and be forming Ghana kingdom in Nigeria, or should they come and be forming the Afantis as well as the Ashantis? Should they be forming their kingdoms in Nigeria and other places? No, now they can have a leader, somebody that can oversee their behavior. But not a king. What is going on? What is that? Please, with all due respect, sir, stop whatever you are doing and let this thing stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Look at, if you come to my comment section now, everybody's Nigerian. What is going on? What is the meaning of that one? Please, respect yourself. You didn't pay anybody transport to Ghana, and I'm very sure you are not sponsoring anybody in Ghana except your family members. So please focus on them and leave other people alone. You say you want to be the place your name.
Abusia, enti no one personal interest. The bushia for and or responsible mom, name on more Nigerians and I say Igbo for more Ghana because Nigeria for Ghana or most of Igbos for Ghana or most of and I said be any Igbo Kwana Ghana, your Yoruba, your Ahuza, your Edo state for states be brave and Abusia omu akom hob mo Nigeria for more Ghana hanimsi omudumuduma. You get my point, ene? So akwa we asem no as simple as that. By yanko phrase video now in play na answer ebe hwe de obisa chuku di eze jude enye to asem na Abusia hwe kwanya akwa we fa so ewudi sem omo fa so mudi ye the way they will trick you here and there and san omotimi etimi kum hwe enti wo Ghana hanu no bi keka oni for na bi di nkomo no keka nsem bi eni kwaso keka Abusia no keka chewa baby a ofri awoba he says ankofo we nkofo bi omo hu dey dangerous Abusia onye on fa on fanche obeku ato atwene e de waye ni e de waye nyankoma de ne ma oposo de look at the way ananka se ni nua krode aye no we cry say can be show that tells you something that tells you say enipa nkofo we mu omo nyankofo a e ho se onu omo e de edi agro so what nkomo na say omo nyankofo a e wo se edi omo de edi agro enti so ye Ghana ni eba wo ye Ghana ni bema na oni nkofo bi edi agro na ohuni se say bi wonya so like odofo wo ba no ana say like I mean you are okay moving with these people. I'm telling you say you are deceiving yourself because these people no even their own self no omunye for their own self their enemy omo nka se twa mo kra kontokwa me see obi kan say me twa me o say I think so no way or say or witness bi wo Nigeria oba painful wonya almost 9 months anesa Abusia omo pai ne yemji ne ba no physical na ni gani I'm trying my possible best say menya na me de ba we show no so anase me na ye odu de ma body a show ohu bedwiri Abusia obi do for say could you believe wa bomodin ekum ba no apa ne yem eji ne ba enimu so ni ya pai ne sei eni yi akora ne fini yem opinful enti we na wu na ye dey amaje kire ai dey ne ko na ye kun no enye news. These people can do that. They can go even to the like omokwabro ometimi akwabro enti we Nigeria ni ya dey make sure say unim say ye ba ko wia eno no Abusia nkofo onye nkofo be no mu di agro nkofo onye nkofo bi aye no mo seresere adibi ometimi di aye wono They are dangerous. Even their own self won't come on Kontoka. This is South Africa. Maybe I penny be of us. One cast on Hukrano. Sika Sebi. A bagan is coming 500 cities come back on Toka. I could just account Hunina. I could show Sebi. A home a twinina. These are the people we are talking about them. Because of these people who rented them crowd. Because of these people who cause all down on farmer so a year abruchi crowd. Now buy your my gun and more ye pam woman. You have landlords and landladies. Oma margin some don't fee by myself way. But they rather reject ye Ghanaians na ye or money ye the ananas no mutino. Because of your sickasa. Because foreign sikason. Short cut money wobo chrono and I do on that kojijinko for phones, a kojijinko for cars, a cotton, a human trafficking, a swank of Nigeria bagan, a babashaw, a bayet romance scam, a bayet kilonet fraud as Zajuma. Nobody's gonna be clear rent. Into who say Nigeria ni sika na mu edru chen wo Ghana ni na sebi obegine dan no ogia okra onyam faso gen de influence. These are the people we are talking about them. These are the people that we are joking with them. These are the people we are living with them. They are so dangerous. They don't think about human beings. All they think is about themselves to you know say ombeniska to become rich. That is all. That is all they know. That is all they know. Areho Jami Media. I catch you say, yen yet in a heart, a true light so, a true the enya so. And see penny for more sharp. Munya kunya na mo shebia. A ceremony when you be being found. They are still crying about this issue. The foreigners are attacking us. Igbos are doing, you know, a Nyama Boni or Mukurusuno and Ghana. And now me no kasi ya wonkrofo mo twum ofi Nigeria de aba. An ya wonkrofo mo twum ofi Nigeria de aba. Eso ko for Nigeria ka na wo ba na vanese wo ba Ghana. Ghana for baby bi minu nyensa. Aboro so na ye 5. Ya Kenya Nigeria for on be den Ghana. Bisa ho so be den e wo Ghana. E din no be no hanum si. Ando a video ma de brel. Omo bie baby factory e wo Nigeria. Omo ton kwala ye nursing kwala sem sebi poultry farm onye akoko makoton no he enkrofo ye nipa bonefo bebe ka se na akoy onye wudini oje wudini omo wudifo ti se nei yetimi hu se social media de ekoso ye beka ho asem na nde yetimi ye be video bi about education and pass see no omo hu se curriculum no see na wose ko see twi kura no o kan school a ya mu bi mu dia na dia kan system no se wotimi ka twi ni na sefo obi nka twi me ya mu no dia esrem ibu fa beti school organ hasi ya mu kire ibu ade ba kwa wi in the tukudi ezeju de say o ha ema Nigerians but ono no wa ha ma Nigerians no onye the Nigeria for epe. And the young second video no you want to you two for no you two come here with me when you and your wife and your family come and your gang come captain's what no be so cool na sub chiefs ahodo come na ma train sub chief bia no yin store no our sprinters ni ya yankan gama chasa so abusua na the thing na say akwani busa question say eyin na tuchukudi ezejudi se also oda Igbo fo ano the Nigeria fo ano a anye bia no ohun se Nigeria fo ni pia hwi baro ebi mo bre etempentin ko bi da abonten den wo ye de abo mo as o claim se oye kingdom oye king ono da oma no as o claim se oye leader oye community leader oye Igbo leader hwan chieftains ni hwan na akodo na o carry man ho no ohun se boys ni bi brana ye jelly boys ni because of chrono because baga no ni bibi aye ye twan ntro na de form de buy oni documents inte juma bi obeye bia na wo so de chrono na azan wo se de bi iska kakra na so de ko Nigeria ko business so de betena Ghana high business waye said the be ya no so na setena besesa those people ye chi wo mo ni ye jelly bi ni ye se no fa se ko yi bi na anye bia ohun se bi so adasa na mo brana ana so ye sa de onya atwem ene sa de enye no kure se de wo kan this way na de ya onu nko ankama no say me and my family as the debut can say I'm scared of me and my family or scared in life on life in the family a life you get my point and so children mu a won chire mu yi no mu o claim yi Mani claim say Nigeria for ina na Igbo for ina because you have Igbos are almost ako omu nim no. You Nigeria for mo kasa Igbo for em say Igbo for Igbo community okuma sese. They don't know this guy. They don't know him. And the two omu no. Ba chin. Aye twemai. Why you trying say wo say why you trying say woni. Why twemai say that lumba ebusu apani eje wusu a say akokota kodi nkunim. Aye trying is apani ko eje wusu kodi trying wadi nkunim. Ese yes won ko decide no nya yi no. So what you say? And you try trying. Aren. Gana nkwa no di hine be yi ana. Na wasem de yemfanto. Abusua enti hwe ho so yi. Oyo oba na wahwe ho so yi be ma hwe ho so yi. Wo ye landlord wo ye landlady a. Wo hwe me a di hu komo che landlady for ne landlord for no. Wo association. Foreign be be rent dan a wo de ye nka asem fama no. Ye ka asem fama na adman because wo pesika. Me chire kwa wo ba yare kwa da konfo no che. Mini nyeska mo me a me 2% for da man me nyeska mo fa kwa hwe ba na konfo no che ana gi fa ne say me gi kwalebu ene ni radio hospital na asefo. Ene chim compound ahodo. Nti me nka asem fama no. Ba bomodi ye background checks kakra bi ansa. Wo ye background checks ni wie. Na mfa so de wo de amane po before so ye background checks na abusua bomodi ne po fama no na tu no. Also won kwa fe police for no metu nko. Na kire evidence say adi we wo so wo ye. Obi timi baji mo fie no mo de bo ahyawo. Na hwe story hiti ma me nim say mba ne bo ahyawo wo fie ho. But e wi achi no mutu ye no ko tom wo bi fuforo. Nipa ni be fie ho. O se sente pai gina ho nipa spam sa hodo. Bad order ni gina fie ho. Why? Because you know you really know say these are what these people are using my house to do. Like omode boakoshu bra base bra shawo bra olushu no modebo. But what their mom obi tu fe kronfo woni Nigeria ni obokro no yese oba o ma obidi ofro mami daddy nti wa quarantine wa cover no so say we dem wo faase or half Nigeria half Ghana woni nipa bonni nyam betwa aka nti mutu na landlady for no landlord for no association mutu amfo so mu hwe mu so ni Nigeria for nko foreign bia French for no ho anfo nyina Cote d'Ivoire Burkina base ni wa mutu amfo because Senegalese yom ko wuye ye hwehwe me yesi Burkina base Cote d'Ivoire any Senegal for na bi na kambo mu mo yes ade because French and SSS have sa countries no. What in common say? I do want to know mukuru no moye no Ghana hamsi e chire. Onu Burkina betu Burkina. E dan try look out team frezo. Ya mu freedom no mo nam Ghana hamsi. Mpelifo ni bibim fa yesrem. Enye kasa na ye den de be kasa. Government ka say ye man 2 weeks no fanya hwehwe. Mo am counting. Is it how many weeks in a way? Mo am counting week be ni go me. Ye try government a reply. Enye sa citizen arrest na ye pass an yaga e mount ye no. E be ye mo. E si yen kotwitu, yen kotwese kan. Yen kobro bi abo at edu so metu. Atruwa se atwudruwa ne be hu ne danta. Hi Jami Media. Share your thought with me on the comment section. For I don't share for the comment section and reading from handle be seen. Bomba so be share video na mo no so share. No subscribe, no share, no like na ebuso ko na egu aye kakaka. Ebusunya e be sen share bi. Edi am so e na na yawo. Brian ana akoko GH ni na watim different mejo so. Studio line ego no frɛ na ani nkomo. Wadun kyerɛ bi ana sɛ information sa obi abetimi afa no de amaye na yeso edi ho bobo na de akyerɛ afoforo. Na de akyerɛ mpanifo sɛ sei ene ekoso o ma konko ganam sɛ de be musu bi hu de ekoso sɛ de be ya ombetimi atu ana mo na bibi etima yeboko. Edi na mo ntie bi na mo hu de bi asa na meka no. Esasa na mo mo ntie. Omoje bi no so mo kwem 2 weeks no. Esi bi otomfo ho bo pam no. Na se ho no ye de ehia no. Enti ye bo pam se de be mpanifo bi hu sɛ ampa eni abere. Enti omaje bi na akoto no mo nhwe mu ana sɛ ye documents akoto no mo nhwe mu a ye boss wa kyerɛ mo pam sɛ documents no da no mo nhwe mu ni ehia ye pa ye twɛn pa edo bibi ase akram bye bye.